this rhinestone French tip, sometimes it can be overwhelming, but once you understand just the foundation, they become so easy. You're going to start off with doing a French tip of your color choice. If you want to use a silver or gold glitter to match whatever rhinestones you're going to be placing on top, you totally can. To me, I just like the French tip underneath. I don't know, it just looks just really clean and crisp. Sometimes that glitter can still have gaps and missing product. So just the white for me is what I like to use as my base. So that's what you're going to be seeing me do here. Once that is finished curing, we're going to take our rhinestone glue and work in sections. So I'm going to put my glue down in a thick enough layer so that my rhinestones sink down and submerge into the glue. That is what is going to really hold these together. I am using bigger rhinestones in some areas, so I really want those bigger ones to go down first. That way they have a majority grip on the glue that is placed. I like to place all the rhinestones that I know I'm going to use that are on the bigger side first. That way it just becomes a matter of me filling in the empty gaps with small and medium rhinestones, but my big ones already have a place, and I'm just working around those to get the fullest effect possible. Not effect, but the fullest look possible. Now that I have placed this bigger rhinestone, any rhinestone I place up against or next to this one is going to get pushed back into this rhinestone, because I noticed that that allows the rhinestone glue that we place first to wedge in between anything that gets put next to the really big one, and it helps with your retention and helps your stones stick and last longer. The biggest part to doing any full nail rhinestone or anything is just filling in all of the gaps and placement. So that is what you're watching me do here. And as time goes, because you don't cure the rhinestone glue, you start to see them slip and slide, which is totally okay. Allow them to do so. All you're going to do is push them back right before you cure them. On both of the corners of the nails, you're going to see me apply a little bit of a glob of nail glue. That is going to help whatever rhinestone I place there stick a lot better. Just for the sole fact, we pick up stuff that's the corner of our nail. We use those a lot more than we do the middle of our nail. So it helps your clients have better retention as far as those two stones you're going to put there not fall off as easily. But every time I place stones there, I really want to see that the rhinestone has really sunken into the nail glue. That way I know it's going to stay for sure. Now that the nail is fully covered, before I cure, I go back and I just get everybody basically in their assigned seat. I go back and I push the rhinestones closer together. I make sure that I haven't missed any spots. And even after I push them back together, if I see any new exposed spot, I go ahead and just place another rhinestone there before I cure. Once you cure, it's not impossible to go back and add more nail glue, but it's just more ideal if you do it all in one sweep and cure for 99 seconds, not just 30 or 60. You want to make sure all of the glue underneath is cured in between each stone. And I just like to just be super safe and secure and cure for a little bit longer. This, I forgot that I didn't top coat first. So it's no mistake. All I do is backwards top coat and then go in and put the top coat by my cuticle. But ideally, this would have came first after I placed and laid down my Frenchie, just because I would have to avoid just having it stop right there. I would have loved to do the entire thing, but it's no biggie that I didn't and I forgot. Like sometimes things like this happen and it's literally no biggie. Just do it backwards, clean up your cuticles, and then cure as normal. 100%. once the nail is cured, this is my end result. These rhinestones are so fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.